show can really start, huh?
Oh, no! Look at all these people!
I should have had my fur cleaned.
Hey guys, quit mucking around and say hello to all our new friends!
Hey there, Hoppers! Welcome! One year away! Welcome to the circle! Became the noble king of Pride Rock. It's a story of courage
and friendship.
It is a legend of the Lion King.
我哋而家講俾大家聽獅子王嘅傳奇故事。
Wow, guys, I don't know what to say. I'm very honored.
I'll be portraying myself, of course. After all, who else has my charm, my grace, my heroic physique?
And I'll pretend to be me. But, who's gonna play everybody out?
I will assign the parts. 故事中嘅人物有 First, our villain, Scar. Simba's evil uncle. He plans to take over Pride Rock.
Scar 識扮嘅叔叔啦，
佢好奸㗎。
菲律賓斯，菲律賓聽，菲律賓。
Nala, Simba's childhood sweetheart. She brings strength and love to Simba.
嗱，佢生得又靚，心地又好。
Simba 真係有福氣啊！
But who's gonna play Simba when he was just a little guy?
係噃，咁邊個嚟扮演小星爸
Yeah, who's gonna play me?
Watch this! Come!
Gonna be a mighty day, so enemies beware.
Well, I've never seen a king with quite so little hair.
I'm gonna be the main event, like no king was before. I'm rushing up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my role.
The star on the uninspiring king.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
You have a long way to go.
I think it's time that you and I arrange a hot time.
Kings don't need advice, but little me good for a start.
If this is where the monarchy is headed, help me out.
Out of service!
Out of Africa, I wouldn't get it about.
This child is getting wildly out of reach.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
young Simba.
You put the roar in royal.
I'm gonna be a great king someday, just like my dad.
Simba the king? Never! I Scar will be king, and his highness are going to help me. I know that the powers of retention are as wet as a warthog's backside. But thick as you are, pay attention! Words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your vacant expressions. The lights are not all on upstairs. But we're talking kings and successions. Even you can be hot. Yes, so prepare for the chance of a lifetime. Be prepared for sensational news. A shining era is to be near.
And where do we meet her?
Just listen to teacher. I know it sounds sordid, but he'll be rewarded with at last I am given my dues, and injustice deliciously squared. Be
Come on now, we're almost there.
This is it.
Oh, it's really creepy.
Yeah, isn't it great?
Simba, it's dangerous. We shouldn't be here.
Don't worry, Nala. I'll protect you. Kings aren't afraid of anything. I laugh in the face of danger. Not afraid of anything, Simba. Who's nothing now? So prepare for the coup of a century. Be prepared for the murkiest sky. Meticulous planning, tenacity spanning, the cage of denial, the simply white island, the king undisputed, respected, tilted, and seen for the wonder island. Yes, my deep and ambitions are red. Simba, your father died because of you! No! Run away, Simba, and never return! Be prepared! Yes, our deep and ambitions are red. Be
So Simba ran away. Scar made him believe he had caused his father's death.
Scar 呃呃咗 Simba，你佢以為自己害死咗爸爸，卑鄙！
就係咁，Simba離開咗屋企啦。All seemed lost until Simba met Timon and Pumbaa。好彩，Timon同埋 Pumbaa 嚟幫佢啊！
Hey, what's eating him?
Nothing. He's at the top of the food chain. Get it? Food chain?
Thanks for trying to help, guys, but it's hopeless. I can never return home.
I think he needs cheering up.
What he needs is Hakuna Matata.
What?
What a wonderful phrase. Hey, help me out here.
Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's all problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Try it again.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's all problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
嚟啦，我哋而家一齊拍手，為 Simba 打氣啦！拍手！
Come on, everybody. Let's get this party started.
拍手！
It means no more peace for the rest of your day. Yeah, sing it, kids are problem free. Philosophy. Everybody sing, you know the meaning. No worries for the rest of your days. It's all problem free. Philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Nothing tires you out like a big musical number, huh, kid? Go on, get some sleep, Simba. Hakuna Matata.
As time passed, Simba forgot about Pride Rock. Then one night, Nala appeared.
先爸同 Nala 失散咗好多年，直到有一晚。Nala, is it really you?
Simba, we thought you were lost forever, but you're alive! Oh, Simba, since you've been gone, Scar has destroyed Pride Rock. You have to come home.
Can never go back now.
But Simba...
Please, don't ask me to explain. So many things to tell her, but how to make her see the truth about past impossible. Should turn away from me.
Back is hiding, but what? I can't decide. Why won't he be the king I know he is? The king I see inside. And can you feel love tonight? The peace the evening brings. The world for once in perfect harmony, with all of its living things. And can you feel the love tonight? You needn't look too far. Still through the night's uncertainties, love is where we are. Love is where we are.
I can't.
What would your father have told you to do?
My father would have told me to trust in the courage of my ancestors
And to take your rightful place in the circle of life.
You're right, Nana. Let's go home.
Nana，提醒先吧，佢身上有佢爸爸嘅勇氣。
Simba 決定返去，為佢嘅王國作戰到底。
When Simba returned home, he found Scar had destroyed his kingdom!
So you have returned.
I've come to reclaim my throne.
It's a little too late for that. Now I'm king, undisputed, respected, saluted, and seen for the wonder I am. Despite some damned ambitions of men, you'll never be king!
Wrong, Scar.
You should have never come back. Hyenas! Destroy him!
What a wonderful celebration!
就係咁，Simba 憑住佢嘅勇氣同埋朋友嘅愛，
終於拯救咗佢嘅王國，令佢嘅國土更加和諧呀
！Thank you, my friends. We all have our own place in the circle of life.
His Majesty is right.
There's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. There is far too much to take in here.
conversation.
Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata.
For the rest of your days, it's our problem free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Century, I prepare for the murky sky. Meticulous planning to satisfy